Hey, I'm Liz Trenier, and you may know me as Canada's Hollywood correspondent. My reporting for red carpet events and festivals has taken me all over the state, and it's inspired me to call California my home. I'm here to show you how I California. When it comes to road tripping, nothing beats California. My husband and I are expecting, so we thought we'd get in one last road trip before the baby comes. Come along. Highway 1 is amazing. Over 1,000 kilometers of beautiful California coastline. First stop on the trip is Santa Barbara. Santa Barbara is home to tons of celebrities, and for good reason. You can walk the streets, hit the beach, and enjoy world-class dining. Day 2, it's off to Big Sur. It's definitely worth a stop in Paso Robles, where there's a quaint downtown, beautiful rolling hills, and gorgeous vineyards. Big Sur is a beautiful stretch of coastline with dramatic cliffs, redwood forests, and ocean views that are just stunning. Next up is Monterey. Monterey is home to Cannery Row, which is bustling with restaurants, shops, and the world-class Monterey Aquarium. Along with Carmel by the Sea. Tomorrow, sadly, it's time to head back. I'm Liz Trenier, and this amazing road trip is how I California. Want to take a California road trip? Go to visitcalifornia.com to plan your trip.